Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Jack Skellington Christmas head. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. So, if you have like 8 minutes, because it's an 8-minute video, very, very short, stick all the way to the very end, you will learn this. If you're completely brand new, you've never drawn anything in your life, you don't know what's anything, what is this paper, oh my, you will be able to draw this, because it's going to be step by step, all right? Super short, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do, though, is to ask you to subscribe. If you like learning how to draw stuff in these 8-minute to 10-minute increments, every video here is like about 10 minutes long. Most, at least like 99% of them. So if you like learning stuff, like we're going to have, I already have Godzilla videos, dinosaur videos, stuff on Fortnite, stuff on SpongeBob, Pokemon, anything you can think of and more. Hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I post 3 times a day and I file everything in playlists. So go check that out. I'll link those below. So let's get started. Whew. So let's start off with the circle of the head here. So circle, well, no, I'm going to start from the inside of the head. Well, no, I'll start with it from the inside here. So I'm going to draw him very very like surprised. Oh dear, So I'm going to do like a circle right here for his eye socket. Doesn't have to be perfectly round, right? We have like this cool shape right here. Almost egg-like. Gonna go over here on this side. Do a similar shape, if not the same. We're gonna fill those in. We just might as well fill them in now, right? To get it out of the way. Go over here as well. Right on. So we filled them in. Those are his eye sockets. Sweet, good, yeah, done. Good so far. All right, awesome. Gonna go over here on this side. This side. I'm gonna draw his nostril, which looks like a grain of rice for the most part. Or upside down comma. Double it up and you got his nostrils. Those can be lots of different shapes. They can literally be like a dash, like 2 marks, right? So I wouldn't worry too hard about what shape those are. I have like an itch. I'm sorry. I'm trying to scratch my itch in the back of my back. All right, got it. All right, so let's keep going forward. And I'm gonna draw the circle now of his head. So right now you can draw it slowly as well. I'm gonna just curve over here. I'll go over here as well. Almost treat it like almost like a parentheses or something, like in writing. And then I'm gonna connect those two. A little dangerous there because when I do that, I can't really see my drawing where I'm going right here because of my hand, right? For the top of the head, I'm going to draw that beautiful, beautiful Christmas hat, all right? And I'm going to draw a texture on it. Like texture, like this kind of wiggly, fuzzy. He's got one of those fuzzy hats, right? Over here to the right, all that fuzz for the brim of the hat, brim of the Christmas hat. Over here as well, fuzzing it up. And now I'm going to draw the rectangular portion, right, of that Christmas hat. I'm going to keep it a more or less curved straight line. Sweet. Pulling a line in from this side for the top red portion. Right now it looks like he's wearing like grass on his head, right? Or if he's got like it looks like he has like, without that line, it looks like he has my haircut, to be honest. I don't know. At least the way my hair looks when I don't cut my hair. All right, go over here to the left. Curve over. This is going to come over, and that one's going to go over, right? Out. Down. If you want to really make this look like a fold, maybe make it like curve it in a little bit, like it's really folding in. Like water. Go over here, pulling down, down. And then the ball of that hat. And same thing, it's got to be made of the same texture as this. So we're going to have, it's going to be a ball shape, right? But I'm going to be zigging and zagging all the way there. Yeah. Doesn't even have to match. See where this is like billowy? Some of this is like scratchy. Go over here, and what we're going to do, since he's making this like, whoa, like this happy face, I want him to, how do you say this? I want him to have like kind of an, well, we'll see. Like, let me show you. So we're gonna have a curve line here, pulling kind of curved in here. It's gonna curve. So it's gonna curve one way, and it's gonna curve the opposite way for the middle, and it's gonna curve back for the rest of that. I want him to have a smile. That's kind of the big part of this. I want him to be happy. And we're gonna draw his teeth / stitched up mouth. I don't know what it is. You can just draw them in single lines like that, but I kind of like drawing them separately like this. I just think it looks kind of organic, because sometimes it does look more like that. And I'm going to draw a thick line around the outside border now. Just around everything. And I call it stickerifying it. You don't have to do this. I think it looks good when you draw just a thick line around the outside. Just on the outside. Make the outside line, oopsie daisy, thicker. Sometimes you pull away too far and you're like, oh dang, now I have to make it like really thick. Pulling in a little bit. Over here. Right on. But yeah, anyways, if there's anything you want to request for the channel, please let me know. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like. Hitting the like is a big part of the channel, because big part of supporting the channel, because likes are good for the algorithm. So if you like something, it also lets me know what to put more of, okay? So if you want more Christmas stuff, hit this like, you know, or it could mean like more Jack Skellington stuff, hit that like. I really hope you enjoyed this. I'm getting a lot of massive support from you guys. The channel is growing really rapidly, and I want to hit 200,000 subscribers really soon, hopefully by next year. But thank you. I appreciate it. I will see you in the next video, and I will talk to you very soon. Yeah, that is pretty much it. Remember, when you're having a good time, this stuff comes off really easy, all right? So I want you to stay focused on the positives and keep it easy. See you later.